Good morning. I just saw my my ticket from the movie last night. Captain America. Yes. It's a lot different from the last one. I didn't really like it. I wasn't looking forward to it really. Last one was not that great, I thought. This one was quite good. It was action-packed. It was riveting from the beginning to the very end. The action never slowed down. It was fantastic. My kind of movie. And I liked, Steve. I have to like the character. I mean, if I don't like the character, then I don't like the movie, and that's just me. But it was really fun. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it. I went there, and it was good, and I'm happy with the Captain America franchise. Captain America franchise. Marvel. The bit at the end was, not terribly surprising. It was, uninspiring. That was a blah. Usually you wait for the end, for the surprise ending, but this wasn't terribly exciting. I could have used more excitement than that. So yeah. So it's Wednesday. The only time I ever write cursive. I do my agenda. And that's what I'm doing now. Our warm-up, our new words, which you see on the board over there, and then today's biography. It's Wednesday, and it's biography. Biography or article reading day. I'm not going to let them know who it was. And discussion. Purple is the most consistently good color on whiteboards, but black is my favorite color. Yes, so that's it. It's a blah, yucky day. 2 degrees, not terribly warm. Overcast, going to be like that all day. Might even rain. Who knows? But I'm still dressed like this because it gets warm here and I get warm. So anyway, have a good day. Enjoy yourselves.